Hello, and welcome. I'm very happy you are here. This podcast is a safe and easy place to learn English, step by step. Here, we speak slowly. We use simple words. So you can listen, understand, and enjoy learning. Today's topic is very interesting: English as a global language. Have you ever thought why English is spoken in many countries? Why people use English in airports, in business meetings, on websites, and in movies? Today, we will explore this together. Relax. Take a deep breath. And let's begin. What does global language mean? First, let us understand something simple. A global language is a language people use to talk to each other all around the world. It is like a bridge. It connects people from different countries and different cultures. English is this bridge. Why English became a global language? English is spoken in many countries. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand use English as their main language. But many other countries also use English. For example, India, Singapore, South Africa, and the Philippines. Even if English is not the first language, people still use it in schools, offices, and business. Another reason English is the most popular second language. People learn English to communicate with others. For example, a person from Japan and a person from Brazil may not know each other's language, but they can speak in English. English connects them. English in modern life. English is used in many important areas. 1. Business. Companies use English in meetings, emails, and contracts. 2. Education. Many top universities teach in English. Students use English to study around the world. 3. Travel. Airports, hotels, and tourist places often use English. It helps people travel easily. 4. Technology. Most websites and apps use English. Instructions for computers and coding are often in English. 5. Entertainment. Movies, music, and books, in English, are famous around the world. English is not just a language. It is a tool for life. Why learning English is important. Now, let's talk about you. Why should you learn English? Because it opens doors. It gives you more job opportunities. It helps you study in good universities. It helps you travel with confidence. It helps you make friends around the world. It helps you use technology better. It helps you enjoy movies and music. Most importantly, it builds your confidence. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, makes you stronger. Encouragement for listeners. I know, learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel confused. Sometimes you feel afraid of mistakes. But listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. You are learning. You are growing. You are improving every day. Be kind to yourself. You are doing great. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Slow, steady, and beautiful. Move forward, one small step at a time. You are not alone. Millions of people are learning like you. Believe in yourself. Be proud of your effort. Thank you for listening. I am proud of you. See you in the next episode.